Hey guys, welcome back to Closet Raid. I am so excited to be here with Lenay today.
Oh, hey guys.
Her style's so fun, so we're about to raid her closet and see what's inside. What is something that you're obsessed with at the moment? Well,
this one.
It stands out, like it's the first thing I saw.
I wore it for a photo shoot for my last single, Freaking Best, and this is like, I love it. And now I wore it, I've already posted it so many times, so I'm like, I don't know when I would wear it again.
Yeah.
I like looking at it when I come in here.
It's definitely like a special piece then.
Yeah, totally. Yeah.
It has a lot of memory attached to it.
See, it's see-through.
I love it. And how would you describe your style?
I think like things I like things sometimes that sparkle. Hi, Capito. What do you think? You wanna wear it?
We have a little guest here.
Looks good on you. But yeah, I think my style is like, I love patches. I don't actually, that's a good question. I've never worded that before. I like things that I'm like, ooh, that's unique. I love unique pieces. And at first, like maybe a few years ago, I just like had all unique pieces and threw them on and like I didn't match, like Phoebe from Friends or something.
I love that.
But now I'm more like, now I know, but I didn't like what it looked like all together.
Yeah.
So now I'm like more like, okay, well this color scheme. So now I love like muted tones and like natural tones, like or dark tones. So between like earth tones and and like and black and white. So like those are my favorite like schemes.
And then
like,
just little pops of color.
Yeah, totally. Actually, yes, this is color popping.
Perfect example.
This is cool.
I love
like
that.
My bracelet and sparkly things. A sparkly necklace.
I love a sparkly moment.
Right?
And so, do you have anything in your closet that you maybe wouldn't wear but you don't want to get rid of it?
Oh my gosh, so many things. I seriously have tried to wear this like so many times and I just don't know what it goes with.
That's really cool. It reminds me of Britney Spears, like early 2000s kind of vibe.
Yeah, no, I love it. I have two jackets like this. I don't know why I got the second one because I can't figure out how to use the first one still, and I thought the second one would be like different, but it's not.
So same. Maybe we'll be able to style her into something.
But I do love it, and I can't get rid of it because I'm like, one day.
And what about, like, do you have a piece that's super dear to your heart? Maybe it was a gift or something that you have like a serious memory attached to? Oh my gosh, this
my
is
bread.
Amazing.
I keep my bread in the closet. You want some?
Oh my gosh, this is crazy. That is so crazy.
Eat it.
So you have to tell me about this little number.
Well, this is a llama onesie. I got it in Minnesota, I think. It also lights up. Let me light it up. It is a good time. You ready? Hopefully it doesn't die.
Oh, there, it's twinkling.
You can tell I probably fitted over what you're wearing.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Do you have anything in your wardrobe? So you're kind of fun with your style, like you're not afraid of anything. What's the craziest thing you've ever worn?
The craziest thing? Let's see. Ooh, that's a good question.
This is toasty.
Let me see if I have anything.
I'm ready for the holidays.
This was like a little different. This one I got from Revolve. It's like Nicole Richie's line.
Ooh.
And House of Harlow. And it was like really cool because it's like a dress, but it's also like really cute, almost like a
kind of like what I'm wearing right now.
Yeah, totally. It's like that.
It has the pajama vibe.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, and it just was like so comfortable. So I think this is like a really unique piece
that is
I quite enjoy, right?
I love that. What would be your go-to look for like date night?
Oh, for date night?
Yeah.
Oh, I love swimsuits under anything too. Like I wear them as like tops. So probably like date night or just any night, I would probably just wear a swimsuit.
That's kind of cute and fun. I love that.
Something over it. And probably my llama onesie. This is just like super like Hollywood glam, I feel.
That is really fun.
I just love it, right? But it's super glamorous, and I feel like my normal everyday wear a swimsuit as an outfit doesn't go with this.
But if you throw this over like a band t-shirt and some denim shorts.
True. I love band t-shirts.
That could be so
That is my other favorite thing.
I love that.
Even if I don't know their music.
And I saw a sparkly red piece.
Oh yes.
What was she?
I love that, and like I said, I already wore it like twice.
Ooh.
Way more than I'm supposed to. I've worn it on like 2 carpets, I think, and now so I already have the pictures. So unless I get a new hairstyle, I probably won't.
That is so fun.
But yeah, but I still love it, so I just keep it. I haven't worn this yet, but it's fun.
Oh, that has such chic Missoni, like 60s vibes.
What's Missoni?
Just a designer.
Oh, I like this one too.
Oh.
That one.
What's your favorite color to wear?
My favorite color? Oh, I haven't worn this one yet. I think like nude color, like
neutral,
like neutral, yeah,
like earthy, like you have
earthy,
a lot of
earthy, yeah,
pieces.
like earth tones, yeah.
I love that.
But like jumpsuits, I love like bodysuits that are like I have like lace and bodysuits are my favorite.
I love that too. This is really fun.
Do you want it?
I love that.
I meant to give that one away.
Should we give it to a subscriber?
Yes.
Okay, comment down below what is your favorite thing you saw in her closet. You will automatically be entered to win this gorgeous little romper.
It is cute. It looks really good with the swimsuit too.
So comment down below. Okay, okay. Your signature style is like swimsuit and then something sheer over it.
Or even just like really like lace, like white, black, earth tones.
Yeah.
Like I love like that like color palette.
That kind of vibe.
I'm fitting that now. That's good. And then chokers. I love chokers. And yeah, even like my makeup like super like neutral. I think it's colored. Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
And like you're always traveling, right?
Yes.
So what is your airport look?
Oh my gosh, the airport look and like my everyday look. Like I need to be comfortable. So like even if I go to an event with heels, I'll probably like try to like smash like flats somewhere so I can swap them out. But airport look is like pajamas. That's my grocery store look too.
PJs, joggers.
That's like my everyday look actually. I have a lot of pajamas.
The coziest. The coziest. Should we shimmy over and see what's on this
Let's
side?
shimmy.
Let's do it. Ooh.
So it's like this, and then this was like my friend Bree, she had her own line. Oh, I don't think it's her line, but she designed this in the Nordstrom picked up, I think.
That's
and
amazing.
she had like, she moved and she had like, she's like, come over and like go through things. And I was just like, she's like, have everything. And she like designed it. I'm like, heck yeah.
That's amazing.
So this, and then this under it, and then like a belt.
I love that look. Just like really layered.
Yeah. Copito, stop destroying the chair. Copito, stop destroying the chair. Thank you.
What would you say, like, do you have anyone that is like a style icon that you might look up to, like for fashion inspo?
Blackpink.
Blackpink.
I literally like my whole explore page on Instagram and Pinterest is like fashion from them. Copito. There's no saving that chair. This is true.
So like Blackpink, okay, so like fun.
And also like Selena Gomez, her stage, there was one tour she did like a long time ago and I've always like loved like all the looks from it. So that tour in specifically.
Yeah.
And then yeah, I love like stage looks that can like somehow be incorporated into life, which I haven't totally figured out how to do, but I'm still like inspired by them.
Like statement pieces that we can bring and like kind of put them in and work them into like casual wear.
Totally, like my shoot for my last single, they had like a headband and then I was like, ooh, can I wear it around my hand? And they're like, totally. So I like wore it on my hand and I had like these hand bands.
So like very DIY. Like
yeah,
you like to kind of tweak things and make them your own, which is so cool. I
would love to cut things more if I trusted myself to like, that it would turn out. Like I just cut my own hair and like, I always regretted that because it would take like a year.
Forever to grow back.
And then so I would love, I always have ideas like, I'm gonna get this and then cut and sew it and I never do. Or whenever I've tried it, just like, it's horrible.
You're like, never mind. I see this pretty piece right here.
Oh yeah, I do like this one. This is like a sweater.
This one.
This one is a sweater. I don't remember where I got it.
If it ever gets cool in LA,
yeah, I know.
Pull her out.
It does get cool in LA. It totally does. They have like
at nighttime, right?
Gold sweater too.
I love like the rose gold shimmer.
And then
that's pretty. And it has like a little smiley. I feel like that's so you.
Yeah, I think I got that in London.
That's so fun.
Like my one thing I got there.
I love that. I'm gonna put this in this.
These are some comfy pajamas.
Cute.
I like love these shorts, but I just don't know how to wear them. This is like, I love like this. I went through a phase where I just wore all these comfy shorts instead of jeans. Yeah.
I love that. It's so comfy and it looks chic and like cool. I just love that you're just like, this is so you. Like everything is just you can tell it's just the way you think. It's like fun and all over the place and different.
These are pants, which are see-through, so you have to put something else over it.
I love bikini.
Yeah.
I'm obsessed with these pants.
Do you want to wear them?
These are so cute.
Yeah.
This with like a band t-shirt would be really fun to like. I've been really into like mixing prints and mixing like different like textures and patterns, and this is so cute.
Yeah.
I love that. That's really fun. And what about shoes? What are your favorite pair of shoes?
So I have such like, I don't know what my favorite shoe is. I just like don't. I have like these glittery sandals that I love and I just wear them with everything, even socks. And that's like, and then I have like these boots that I've had like from Target from like forever, and they're just like my go-to staple piece.
Yeah.
And then I don't know like shoes, I don't know what I like.
I'm excited.
Okay, so this is like, I had this like grand idea. I love this jacket, but it was like, it's all Saints, but it was like way over my budget. So I was like, I'm just gonna buy it and then I'm gonna return it after my photo shoot, which I know is horrible. I know, like, my confession. But
Not the worst
but I
thing.
didn't. I like missed the 7-day return thing. So like, oh, I guess it's mine. But I like love it. It's like my favorite jacket. So like, I should have just bought it and been like, I'm doing this. I think subconsciously I knew I didn't want to give it back, and that was my justification for getting it. But
You're like,
it was really
oops, I
expensive.
forgot.
It's like my really expensive jacket that I like.
It's so cute. I
Thanks.
love All Saints, and they make such great pieces. I love a leather
Yeah.
jacket. Such a staple.
Oh, Kopi. Wait, I can put him away too. Want to say hi, Copito? This is Copito.
Ooh, this is we raided your closet.
Yeah.
I think that we got such a great sense of your style. Do you want to sit and chat and snack for a second?
Yes.
I brought some snacks.
Yay, snacks.
Okay, so in closet raid tradition, I have some food and fashion questions because those are my two favorite things. And I brought some snacks because I've been loving these little like popcorn chip things.
Oh, I haven't tried them.
So let us try these.
Ooh, let us.
They smell like popcorn.
Mmm, they're good.
Mm-hmm. Kettle corn.
Oh my gosh.
Not bad.
Mmm.
Chocolate or vanilla?
Vanilla.
Heels or flats?
Flats.
Grilled chicken or fried chicken?
Grilled chicken.
Long nails or short nails?
Long nails as of a month ago.
Ooh, she's new to the long nail club.
Yup.
Chips or ice cream?
Ice cream.
A heavier eye or a dark lip?
I never wear color on my lip. And I don't. Last year I wore dark eye like every day, and this year I'm like this. Every
I
day.
love like the natural look on you.
Thanks.
So pretty. Daytime or nighttime?
Nighttime.
I knew you were gonna be a nighttime.
Oh really?
person.
Yeah.
Okay, gold or silver? Dun dun dun.
Oh.
That's a hard one.
That's a hard one.
Stumped her. You were on a roll.
Gold? I don't know though.
Both.
Yeah, maybe. Well, no, I like shiny things like silver.
Sparkly and
but
sequin.
Yeah. Oh, silver. No. Silver.
Silver.
Okay, silver. I think silver.
Silver.
I think.
Maybe both. Texting or talking on the phone?
Voice notes.
I love voice notes.
I love them. Like, I feel like I make so many people mad because I'll just respond in voice note and they're just like, ugh, you leave me so many. You always leave me voice notes and they like don't want to listen to it. I'm like, just listen to it.
I love voice notes. Oh my gosh, I found someone else who loves voice notes. I'm gonna be sending her all these voice notes.
The other day I just sent a few people just like meow.
Twitter or Snapchat?
Twitter. I was gonna say neither. No, like I don't use Snapchat. No, you know what?
Instagram.
Sorry, Instagram. Yes, but no, I use Snapchat. I go in the filters. I love the filters, so I'll go and use the filter, and then I'll like download it for Instagram. And then Twitter, I actually love. Like I go there like once a month maybe, and every time I'm on Twitter, like I just have the best time talking to everybody. And I'm like, I need to get on here more. And I'm like, I love Twitter. And then I get off and it's like a month later, so like
you're not consistent
but I do
on
love,
it.
Yeah,
but
I do love Twitter.
Respect it. Okay, so lash strips or lash extensions?
Individual lashes.
Individual, the secret answer.
Yep. Oh yeah, I love those.
Shopping online or shopping in store?
Oh my gosh, I just discovered Amazon. Not even like for clothes necessarily, like
just things.
I bought like, what did I get? I got a demon costume last week and glowing ice. Copito.
You can randomly just go on there and just spend so much and just shop because it's like endless.
Totally.
Love it. Tea or coffee?
Coffee.
And planned out or spontaneous?
Planned out is like, my new thing is like I'm trying to like block my time and like schedule and follow through with it and believe myself and trust myself in my word. I've been doing a lot of reading on this.
I love
so
that.
I'm like trying to work on my time management. I have chips in my teeth.
I know.
And
eating.
We're
eating,
really
we're
good.
snacking.
They're really good though. But yeah, so I think right now, schedule. I'm like trying to like
planned out.
But I'm not very good at it too. So I am more spontaneous.
So a little
like,
bit of both.
I'm a night person. I'm trying to make myself a morning person.
That's rough.
My trainer. If I ever say Copito, it's my cat. Copito, get off of my guitar. I used to live in Nashville and I started writing my own songs and I played piano growing up, but like playing other people's songs. And then when I discovered guitar, I'm like, oh my gosh, I can write my own songs. And I wasn't really taught the theory of guitar, so it was just like, I knew a few chords and I like played from that, but it was just, oh hi.
We have a little guest with us.
He's so excited you guys are here. And I love like at night I'll write songs or I'll be on Trello. I do love Trello.
And tell me about like, okay, so you're releasing new music.
Yep.
Tell me a little bit about that. Like what can you share with us?
Well, That's what I got the demon costume and the glow-in-the-dark ice for. And it's like a concept. I still have to see if it looks good or if it just looks ridiculous. But in my head, it looks really cool. So probably gonna test out when you guys leave because I got like this motorized camera slider, and I think I'm gonna film it by myself because I just like love editing and I love like effects and I love videos. And I'm working with production teams for future music videos, already planning that. And they were pitching this one, and I was like, I want to do this one by myself in my apartment. But I already have like the whole concept in my head, but I have to see if it'll look good first.
And speaking of videos, YouTube, you post on YouTube and you post in Spanish, which is so cool. When I found your channel, I was like, okay, this is interesting. This is really cool. So you wanted to be a Spanish teacher if you weren't pursuing like your music and everything else?
When I was little, I wanted to be a Spanish teacher, and then I actually shadowed a little bit like in school. I like went and like shadowed some and had the experience to like see what it was like actually like there, and I realized it's not totally for me.
Right.
But oh my gosh, and also like teachers, they work so hard and they have to like bring home work with them, like grade papers and everything. So I'm like, go teachers.
Yeah.
You're watching this, you're a teacher.
Shout out to you.
Strong. Shout out to all the teachers. So yeah, I think I love more the Spanish language. Like when I was growing up and I was like, oh well, I think I'm just gonna be a Spanish teacher or a piano teacher or an art teacher, because those are the things I liked. I'm like, or a pilot. I don't know why.
That's cool.
But then I started hosting Red Bull shows, and I'm like, oh, I could do this.
I love
so it's
that.
funny, like what I thought I would do, but it was actually what I actually spent most of my time doing that dictated where I went, which is cool, you know? Like, I'm like, I want to do this, but then I wouldn't set on my parents' video camera, so my life brought me other places.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
What inspires your YouTube posts? Do you do mostly vlogs, or is it just like
so
whatever you're up to?
I think I see like what trends are on YouTube, and sometimes I pick the ones I like from there. But otherwise, I just have like this long list on Trello.
Lots of ideas.
I don't know if you guys know what that is. It's like, I love like organizational apps, and that's just my favorite one. You can change the background. And so I like have all my ideas organized, of, like video ideas. Sometimes I make Copito talk like with my mouth. I superimpose my mouth over his to give like news and like noticias con Copito. It's like news with Copito, and Copito announces and tells people when I have a new song coming out.
That is the best thing ever. So thank you so much for being on Closet Ray. That was so fun getting to like peek into your world of fashion and what inspires you, and just sitting down and talking to me about everything.
Yeah, thanks for coming over.
Of course, I'm gonna link everything down below, so be sure to follow her music and her vlogs and like everything that you've been doing. It'll be linked down there. And where can people find you on Instagram?
At Lenay Chantelle. So my first name is Lenay, Lenay. My middle name is Chantelle, Chantelle. My last name is Olsen, but it's not on my Instagram. I might be related to the Olsen twins. No, just kidding, I don't know. But I like when people ask now. But yeah, so Lenay Chantelle, my first and middle name.
So cool.
Yeah.
So be sure to follow her and subscribe to her. It'll be all linked down there in the description box down below. And comment, let us know what your favorite thing in her wardrobe was, and you'll be entered to win that really cute romper.
Yeah. Oh, but if you search also on YouTube and Spotify, if you search just my first name and Instagram, it'll come up. Also on Spotify, there's another artist in Latin America who just got really popular, and his name it's a guy, and his name is like the same as mine.
Yeah.
It's like Lenay, that's like my artist name, just my first name, and his name is Lunay, so it's like just like the U instead of an E. And I was like, no, because now it'll like, if you type in my name like Lenay on Spotify, it's like, did you mean Lunay? And I'm like, no.
Like, I did not. That is not what I meant.
So everybody go search my name on Spotify and give me those extra searches.
Yes.
With an E, Lenay.
Yes, search her name on Spotify. All right, guys, I will see you next week. Thank you.